The forward emergency braking (FEB) with pedestrian detection system automatically turns on each time the ignition switch is placed in the on position, and can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The FEB with pedestrian detection system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above 3 miles per hour. The pedestrian detection system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians and cyclists, and operates between speeds of approximately 6 and 50 miles per hour. Intersection assist can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision while turning, and operates at speeds between 6 and 16 miles per hour. The turn signal must be activated to detect a vehicle, however it does not need to be activated to detect a pedestrian. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. If the driver does not take action, the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Depending upon the circumstances of the situation, the system may not eliminate the possibility of a collision but may reduce the severity of a collision. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, emergency assist, then emergency braking to toggle the system on or off. Turning the system off will also disable the predictive forward collision warning system. The warning light illuminates when the system is turned off. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, an indicator and/or a warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to the radar and camera areas. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.